the area underneath that curve. We'll call this f of x right here. I don't know. Great. F of x. Nice. If you found the highest point, if you found the value of the highest point up here, so let's say that this right here is y equals L. What can you now draw? Not a square necessarily. You see a box. You see that box over there? What's the area of this box? Tell me what it is. What's the base? And what's the height? L. So that would be the max. That's definitely above, right? That definitely is above. The only time it would be equal is if the function itself was a horizontal line. How do you find a lower bound? You find the absolute minimum of the function from a to b. So in this picture, where is that going to be? Looks like it'll be right about here. So let's say you went to here, and let's call this y equals m, for example. What's the minimum, therefore, going to be? B minus a times what? Times m. So this is what you see. You see the integral from a to b of f of x dx, and then you can have an upper bound and a lower bound. Here's your max, and here's your min. Are these necessarily very good estimates? Not really, but does it shave it down a great deal? Absolutely. One of the things I know all of you did last semester was find absolute minimums and maximums. How do you find an absolute minimum or maximum of a function? How do you find the extreme values on a particular domain from a to b? What do you have to check? The endpoints and the, what are those called? Not on inflection. We don't really care about inflection points at this point. What are they called? CR. Critical. Know that this function right here, f of x, let's call this, from 1 to 3, you know that f of x is bounded between root 12 and what? 2. You're going from 1 to 3, so the base of your rectangles is 2, and your height for the lower one is going to be 2, and the height for the upper one is going to be root 12. So what is your integral going to be bounded by? So you know the integral of f of x dx from 1 to 3, if this is f of x right here, what's the maximum going to be? 2 root 12, and what's the minimum going to be? 4. You have now estimated. You know it has to be between 4 and 2 root 12. That's what you know. It's not super accurate, but it's better than nothing. Because I know that's what you're looking for, is more fun in your infinite limits, right? What's this equal to? The limit as n is infinity. Let's say 3 over n, and we'll make it, let's make it 2 plus 3 over n squared, 2 plus 6 over n squared, all the way up to 2 plus n times 3 over n squared. What is that?